Hey everyone, welcome back, and to those of you that are new, welcome as well. In this video, I'm quickly going to show you how to change the hubcaps, specifically on a Ford Ranger. The first thing we're going to want to do is properly locate the tool that allows us to pop this hubcap off. Try not to do it with a flathead screwdriver or something because you can crack that hubcap. So I'm going to show you where that tool is located. We're going to head to the passenger side of the truck. In the passenger side, you're going to move your passenger seat forward and you're going to locate your jack here. So you're going to twist this off. This piece comes off and we want to lift this plastic out of the way, which reveals our whole jack assembly here. Next, we want to look for our lug wrench, which here it's on the far left. You can see there, this is the lug wrench. And what's important about this tool is that it has a rubber piece on the end here. This allows us to pop the hubcaps off. Just quickly, I'm going to show you how to use this tool, and make sure not to wedge it with too much force so you don't crack the hubcap, even though we do have this rubber end. We want to just be nice and consistent around the hubcap so that it pops off. When you are popping off a hubcap, you are going to notice these clips around the hubcap itself. Try to wedge right next to these clips, because if you do it in the center, this is a weaker point and you can crack this plastic. And as you saw, I did it nice and easy, and then towards the end I just evenly pulled it off with my hand. Taking a closer look, the rim underneath the hubcap is pretty flat silver and it does look pretty beat up. It doesn't give the truck that good of a look. It is the same design as the hubcap, but it's a flat color and it doesn't really give the truck much of a compliment. To attach the hubcap, I'm just going to walk up and evenly apply pressure around these clips and the bead of the wheel so it locks into place, working my way around. Just make sure to properly align these cutouts with the original rim underneath, and you're just going to push into place and it's going to lock in pretty easily. All right, everyone, so that's how we change the hubcaps on a Ford Ranger. Here's the tool, just make sure to put it back in the passenger side. Hope you found this video useful. Do make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to check out the Ford Ranger playlist below in the description. Have a great day, have a great evening. Striker out.